Hey, I'm here at the First Party Claims Conference, and I happen to be here with Nicole, and I think everybody knows Nicole from our firm because every Saturday she writes about public adjusters or a public adjusting firm or some type of story about public adjusting somewhere in the United States. And Nicole, I think everybody would like to know out there, how do you go about figuring out what stories you're going to write about and things like that?
Well, what I want to have in the blog every week is something that affects public adjusters nationwide. I try to look for interesting stories in the media or court cases that mention a public adjusting firm.
So this isn't something where they just go to call up and say, hey, I want you to interview me or something like that, or how's it, do you just do this random or what?
Well, I'm also trying to chronicle the industry and find out how public adjusting was started. So I have about 30 questions that I'd like to ask of every public adjuster if I could get the chance.
So when I saw you talk with Ronnie Pop of NFA a little bit earlier today, I noticed she had this whole interview sheet and checklist, and that's what you were doing.
Yes, there are certain questions that I want to try to learn from the different public adjusters. In the different states, I think public adjusting is a little bit different. So if we can kind of look at that and find out what trends are happening in California, that might affect public adjusters in Tennessee or Rhode Island.
Now, if somebody wants to contact you because they want to be interviewed, what should they do?
The best thing to do is to contact me at the law firm. I can be reached via email at nvinson@merlinlawgroup.com, and I'm in the Tampa office. Our phone number is 813-229-1000.
I'm glad she got that number right. It's a tough one. Thank you all very much. This is a great conference, and I hope to see you here next year if you get the chance.